See, he's letting me.
Mm-hmm.
This is 1 part peroxide, 2 parts water. And I'm just trying to get that, I don't know if it's the head or the, what's this? Tom? I don't know too many birds that hold still for this kind of thing. It's pretty cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's really well behaved. There's a problem in here. I've put comfrey here, so it's not doing good. I don't know if he's allergic to the medication, but... Tom? 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 I'm trying to liberate this. It's like all the feathers are glued to this spot.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm trying to clean it up and see what's in there. And I'm going to cut the feathers so that it stays clean. Pretty cool, he just sits there.
I don't know what's going on in his wing.
I don't know. I've been going at this for 15 minutes already. Just lets me. It must feel good for him to have somebody groom him, because his nails would be too rough for this. Oh my god. That's all I wanted.